Maaf, Ibu tetap yang dua. Aku menanya boleh anak lagi. Betul. Hello.
How are you? How are you tonight? Are you okay?
Yes.
Awesome.
Bagus.
Good.
Bagus.
Huh?
Bagus.
Oh, good. Good. All right. Let's do your bug book. Ooh, bug book. Plug this in. All right. What are you doing? Are you blowing bubbles with your spit? That's funny. Okay. All right, so we have the roly-poly, right?
Okay.
And we talked about that last time. The pill bug's name or nickname is roly-poly. And it rolls into a ball when it feels threatened. So if someone says, hey, I want to hurt you, then the roly-poly pill bug goes, nope, not today, and rolls into a ball. Kind of cool, huh? All right. Our next insect is called, well, it's not called it, it's ancient insects, but like this one here. Look at how old they think cockroaches are, or how long they have been around. Wow. That's kind of cool, huh? Insects have been around for a very long time. Things like cockroaches, centipedes, dragonflies. Mhm.
B.
Bees? Maybe not bees, more like beetles, winged insects, things like that. A lot of flying insects, things like mantises, right? Maybe we could look that up if you want. We could see how long bees have been alive on the planet. Let's see. I'll look it up for you. How long have bees been alive? Let's answer that question for you. Okay, so bees evolved or changed into bees from ancient insects, wasps. So wasps are still alive today. Do you want to see the picture?
Yes.
Here, I'll show you. You see this? Here, Dorothea?
B.
So wasps have been alive for 120 million years, is how long they have been on the planet. Now, they did not always look the way that they look now, but about the same, right? And from these
Okay.
wasps came bees. Isn't that cool? The first bee appeared 130 million years ago. And 80 million years ago, they started becoming social creatures and forming hives and swarming together. Cool, huh? Pretty cool. All right. So, speaking of bees, do you think that you can read this for me? Please, Zoya. These words here, are you able to read them? We can read it together if you want. So it says, Okay, it says hey, there are
more than
250,000.
kind of flowering
Good.
plants.
Very
Honey
good.
visit and pollinate
Hmm. 80%
80%
of these
of
species.
these species.
Yeah.
Thus, some busy bees.
Yes. All right. I'm going to turn on annotation for you so that you can also draw. And we are going to make essentially like a large pie. Okay. You see this big circle?
Okay.
All right. And now we're going to divide it into 10 parts. All right. We're at 10 parts. Okay. Oops. Uh-oh. Hold on. Nope, that's not right either. Hold on a second. Okay. We need. Okay. Okay, this is not exactly correct, but there we have 10 pieces. Imagine that each of these parts is 10%. Okay.
Okay.
So if we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 'Card. Okay. So we have 10 parts. All right. Can you color in 80% of this, or 8 parts of this circle? So how we're going to do that is, like, you can use a stamp, like you can stamp it and check it off if you want to, or you can color a piece of it in. Like,
Okay.
yeah, like you could go like this if you wanted to. Okay. So I need you to put a mark on 8 of these parts. Can you do that for me? Are you doing it? Oh, good job. There you go. All right, so we colored in 8 parts. Now, think to yourself, you see how we had that whole circle and you colored in all of this area here? This is how much of all of the different species that can pollinate or that can be pollinated. The flowers, 250,000 flowers, and bees visit almost all of those flowers and are responsible for pollinating them. And pollinating is when an insect or a bird or anything really takes pollen from one flower and travels it and places it on another flower. And they need to do that so that the flowers can grow properly. Okay. So kind of cool that bees do that much. Kind of awesome. All right. Here, I'm going to clear all the drawings out. All right, we're going to turn off annotation for a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to draw for a little bit either. All right. So we have that many bees, right? Pollinating all those flowers. And then we have lots of insects that have scales. Okay, so little tiny pieces of armor on them. You can make dye and food coloring with them. And they're used in medicine and drinks. Isn't that cool? There is a really cool blue dye that comes from beetles, actually. All right. Can you tell me, if you remember, can you tell me some facts about bees? What do bees do? What do they look like? How do they live?
Beehive.
That's right, they live in a beehive. Good job. What else? Do you know other facts about bees? What about the worker bees? Are they boys or girls? Do you remember?
Okay.
The worker bees are girls. Do you remember what the drone bees are? Are they boys or girls? What about the drones, the ones that go out and find the flowers?
26.
Huh? The bees that go out and find the flowers for the workers are called drones, and they are boy or male bees. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. What other types of things can bees do? Oh, it's not time yet. Almost, but not yet. I have 2 more minutes. Because we started a little late. Can you tell me some more things that bees do? Do bees fly? What else can bees do? Can bees make honey? Can bees make honey, Doja?
Um,
Yes. All right. Next time, in our next class, we are going to talk about bugs for breakfast. A carnivorous plant that likes to eat bugs. Ooh. Okay.
okay.
All right. I'll see you next time.
Okay.
Bye.